how to extract those capital letters and the small letter, right? So let's begin, right? So we're gonna choose. After extract, we're gonna join it. So that's why we use the join, and we join with the delimiter called delimiter. Now here's the thing, right? So how to extract, right? We're gonna use the regulation, re, regular expression extract, right? And then we extract from this text here, and then comma, and the way to do that is that we're going to extract the capital letter, right? So and it adds that, right, capital letters right now. We're going to extract anything from 1 to maximum any number of characters, right? Um, and beside that, we're going to use the A to Z and plus, right? So I'm going to demonstrate to you one of the errors here, right? So let's just put that in the, and let's see. Oh yeah. All right. So as you can see that the pattern has to be start with 1 characters or uh, up to any number of characters of capital letters, right? And then followed by or one or more small letters. Right? That's why can lao is selected, right? MD is not because the next letter is it doesn't follow by unless right here I put it the R. Then yes, you have this, right? Why? Because that it has a pattern of um this and this together, right? So these two must be there, right? So first is that 1 or 2 characters here, and then followed by this small letter, right? But however, here we don't have these, right? So, um, so how do we capture that, right? So we're gonna change this plus, right, to this. This pattern means that it can be oh without any small letter followed by this follow, right? So that's why we can get the MD can log right here. So yeah, this is the pattern, right? So and the next one is that we're gonna get all the matches, right? So all matches. After you get all the matches, we're gonna text join it. Right? So let's just see what happened, right? If we just get this here, right? So we can see that here is the MD can allow, right? So now just join it together with the with the with a space, right? If you want a comma, you can, right? So you can see here that is how this works, right? So and followed by that, just drag it out, test it out, right? Yes, it worked, right? You can see that here. So city, right? Can you see that here? We all get it done, right? So and that is called RegExExtract, right? So this pattern. Thanks for watching.